Hello students, how are you? Fine. Okay, then let us continue further our maths class here with chapter number 8, the next exercise 8.3, wherein we are going to learn the few concepts related to profit and loss and simple interest. Okay, so let us first go with question number 1. Tell what is the profit or loss in the following transaction. Also find profit percent or loss percent in each case. So, we have to find profit or loss whether the given transaction is having and to convert it into profit percent or loss percent. The first transaction we have here is gardening shears bought for rupees 250 and sold for rupees 325. The cost price is 250 and selling price is 325 children. Here, as the selling price is greater than cost price, we have profit here. That is, to find profit we use the formula SP minus CP. That is 325 rupees minus 250 rupees, we will get 75 rupees as the profit. Now we will convert this rupees profit into percentage, that how many percentage it is. So to find profit percentage we use the formula profit into 100 upon cost price. Always we find profit percent or loss percent with comparing with cost price only. No selling price is involved here, only we compare it with cost price. So profit, that is 75% upon cost price, that is 250 multiplied by 100. Okay, when you simplify it children, you will get 30%. So in rupees the profit is 75 and in percentage it is 30% over here. Next question. A skirt bought for rupees 250 and sold at rupees 150. The cost price is 250, selling price is 150. Hence here, as the cost price is more than selling price children, we have loss over here. To find the loss, cost price minus selling price. Okay, when we subtract it, we will get the loss of rupees 100. So, cost price is more, so loss of rupees 100. Now, let us convert this loss into the percentage here. Loss percent equal to loss into 100 upon CP. So, loss 100 upon the cost price, that is 250 multiplied by 100. When you simplify it, you will get 40% as the loss percent. So, the rupees 100 is loss, and if you convert it to percentage, you will get 40% as the loss here. Question number 2. Convert each part of the ratio to percentage. Now, the given ratio we have to convert it into the percentage. The first question given to us 3:1. So, first thing we will find the total number of part, that is the sum of the given ratio, that is 3 plus 1, we have 4. So, total sum is 4. Now, finding the percentage for the first part, that is 3. So, 3 upon the total parts, that is 4, 3 upon 4, percentage always we multiply and we calculate on 100. So, 3 upon 4 into 100. 4 ones are 4, 25s are. So, 25 into 3, we get 75%. Now, same thing for we will find for the second part, that is 1. So, second part, that will be 1 upon the total number of parts, that is 4, 1 upon 4 multiplied by 100, reducing it, 4 ones are 4, 25s are, you get 25% as the percentage here. So, first find the sum of the ratios and individually multiply it by 100. Second one, 1:2:5. Now, first we will find the sum of all the ratio, that is adding all the 3, 1 plus 2 plus 5, you get total as 8 over here. Now, finding the percentage for the first part, 1 upon 8 multiplied by 100, you will get 12.5% or 12.5% here. Secondly, percentage for the second part, that is 2 by 8 multiplied by 100. When you simplify, you will get 25%. Then percentage for the third part, that is 5 upon 8 multiplied by 100. When you simplify it, children, you will be getting it as 62.5 or 62.5%. Question number 3. The population of a city decreased from 25,000 to 24,500. Find the percentage decrease. We have to find the decrease in the population in percentage here. So, let us find first what is the decrease. So, initial the population was 25,000, which reduced to 24,500. So, the difference here is of 500. So, there is a decrease in population of 500, which we have to convert it into the percentage. So, percentage of decrease, that is a decrease upon the original amount. Original what it was? The population 25,000. So, decrease upon the original population multiplied by 100. So, when you simplify 500 upon 25,000 into 100, you will get 2%. So, this 500 is nothing but 2% of decrease in population compared to the prior population. Question number 5. I buy a TV for rupees 10,000 and sell it at a profit of 20%. How much do I get for it? Do I get for it means, children, you are asked selling price. The cost price is given to you 10,000. The profit percentage is given. This is not rupees, it is percentage. So, profit is given to you in the percentage and you are asked to find the selling price. So, whenever you have profit or loss in percentage given and you are asked to find either CP or SP, always use this assumption method. This is your assumption method. What is that? Whatever you are asked to find either CP or SP, no problem. Always assume CP as rupees 100, not less nor more. Always CP only and always 100. Now, if you have profit, add to it. Profit we will add. You can see add profit, that means 100 plus 20, you get 120. This will be our assumed selling price. Okay, this assumption now we will make use to find the original selling price of this TV here. Now, how we will compare it using unitary method. Now, CP and SP, both two quantities we have to compare here. Fine. So, whatever to be found, that is SP, we always take it into comparison for the second part. So, first CP and secondly we will write SP. Now, start assumption from the here, whatever you have assumed table. When CP is 100 from here, when CP is 100, your SP was 120. Now, go to the question, what is the original cost price given? When cost price is 10,000, what is your selling price? Now, you can cross multiply. When you cross multiply, you will get 10,000 into 120 upon 100. When you reduce it, you will get rupees 12,000. Okay, so that is the selling price of the TV. So, very simple, you have to use this assumption method. Always assume CP as 100, add the profit, subtract the loss, and then you can compare the both and get your answers there. Next question. Chalk contains calcium, carbon and oxygen in the ratio 10:3:12. Find the percentage of carbon in chalk. We have to find the percentage of carbon. That means here this is calcium, this is carbon and this is oxygen. We have to find only carbon, that is second part. Okay, so first we will sum all the ratio, there is sum of all the ratio, that is 10 plus 3 plus 12, we get here 25. Now, percentage of carbon in chalk. So, 3, that is the ratio part of the carbon upon the total, that is 25. 3 upon 25 into 100, percentage always we find on 100. So, 25 ones are, 25 fours are. 3 into 4, 12% of carbon is present in the chalk according to the given ratio. Now this one more question with the same, we have to find that too. If in a stick of chalk, carbon is 3 gram, what is the weight of the chalk stick? Okay, earlier in question number 1 we found that 3 grams is nothing but 12% of the whole quantity here. Okay, so 3 grams of carbon, that is 12% of the whole quantity. This whole quantity is nothing but the chalk they are talking about, right? So we will compare this and get the what is the weight of the chalk here. So weight of the carbon in the chalk is 3 grams. Okay, so if it is at 3 grams, it is 12%, that is 12% is equal to 3 grams. If it is whole quantity means we will take it as 100%, how much? So when we cross multiply 100 into 3 divided by 12, you will get 25. That is 25 grams of is the weight of the given chalk here. So we will use the prior one to find the next quantity also. Next question here. What rate gives rupees 280 as interest on the sum of rupees 56,000 in 2 years? Now here we are asked to find rate. Okay, principal amount is given to us 56,000, interest is given to us 280 rupees, term is given to you 2 years, and you are asked to find the rate here. So the formula for the rate, to find rate, is derived from the formula of simple interest only. Simple interest is equal to PRT upon 100. So whichever quantity you want to find, leave it there, and the remaining you can cross multiply. So you will get here rate is equal to interest into 100 upon the remaining 2 1, that is P and T, that will be in the denominator. So we derived the formula from the formula of simple interest only. So according to that, interest into 100 upon P into T, that is 280 multiplied by 100 upon 56,000 into 2. Okay, 2 is what? Term here. 56,000 is principal here. Now when you reduce it, you will get 1 upon 4, which is equal to 0.25%. So 0.25% is the rate for the given question. So with this, children, we end this exercise over here, and hope all these concepts are clear to you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.